Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when working with input processing. The issue is how to efficiently trigger a function only after a user has finished typing in a text box. This problem can be quite tricky to solve, but fret not, as we have a solution that will make your life much easier. The solution lies in using a Debouncer function that leverages a timer to trigger the desired function after a specified delay. By creating a Debouncer function and utilizing a mutex to protect the necessary fields, we can ensure that the function is called only after the user has stopped typing. This approach simplifies the process and removes the need for complex synchronization mechanisms. Now, let's delve into the code that implements this solution. We start by defining a new Debouncer function that takes a duration parameter and returns a function that resets the timer when called. The Debouncer struct contains a mutex, the duration of the delay, and a timer. The reset method locks the mutex, stops the current timer if it exists, and creates a new timer to execute the provided function after the specified delay. Continuing with our exploration of the code, we can see how the process_input function is utilized within the context of the Debouncer. By creating a Debouncer with a 1-second delay, and passing different instances of the process_input function to it, we can observe how the functions are triggered after the specified delay. This approach ensures that the function is only executed once the user has finished typing, effectively addressing the initial problem we set out to solve. In summary, by implementing a Debouncer function that utilizes a timer and mutex for synchronization, we can effectively trigger a function after a specified delay, ensuring that it is only called once the user has completed their input. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.